Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to show you the best and easiest way to take one of these and turn it into this. So you ready? Let's get into this. So all we need to do this is our avocado, a big spoon, and a knife, preferably one that's at least 4 inches. Also, you might want to make sure you have nice ripe avocados. You'll be able to tell it's ripe because if you push on it, it's going to be a little bit on the squishy side. Not super soft, but not super firm either. So we're gonna go ahead and set this down on a cutting board and we're gonna cut right down the middle with our knife, just like this. And you're gonna be able to feel when you hit that seed. So once you do that, you're just gonna wanna kinda turn your knife all the way around slowly on this avocado and try to keep that a nice straight line. And we're gonna wanna cut all the way around right up against that seed until we get right back to the start again. Then you can just open it up like this and you'll have the seed stuck in the one side. The best way to get this out is with the knife. Be careful not to cut yourself doing this. So you want to hold this avocado lengthwise, keeping your fingers out of the way of the seed. Take your knife and just kind of smack it down onto the seed, preferably not over your fingers, just like that. As you can see, it kind of sticks in there just like that. Now we can just grab the avocado and use the knife to turn the seed, and it should just turn out just like that. Next, we have to separate the avocado from the skin. And the way we're gonna do that is with our spoon. So you're gonna wanna take the spoon and you're gonna wanna hold it in such a way so you're following the same shape as your avocado half here. And you're gonna wanna just dig this in right between the edge of the flesh here, as close as you can get to the skin. And just wanna follow this around a little bit, about halfway, just to kind of separate it out a little bit. And you want to push the spoon down while you're pushing against the skin. And that way we can remove all of that avocado in one piece. So you're going to want to just kind of go around and around, separating that from the skin until it just comes out like this. Then we'll go ahead and put this on the cutting board upside down like that. And we'll go ahead and do the other one. By the way, this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. Next, we're going to go ahead and slice these avocados. When you slice them, you don't want a shallow angle like this. You want to be up like this. And that's because you want the smallest surface area of this knife touching that avocado because it's going to stick to it and we don't want that. Also, when you cut this, you'll do it in quick, decisive cuts like that. Don't be going slow and hanging up halfway through the avocado or anything like that. So we'll start at the edge and just kind of slide through, slide through, slide through, and like that, all the way through, being sure you don't cut your fingers off or anything like that. And then all we gotta do is plate this up. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about us, you can watch a couple more videos or you can visit us online at joesphenomenal.com. And it should look a little something like that. I thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your busy day to watch this video. It really means a lot to me and I can't wait to see you back again here really soon. So until that time, I'm Joe and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.